Joshua and Jessica, we're back with Mack. So I've been putting a little pressure on him today after Joshua told me what he did going after Sherman. So that all has to get gone. We cannot have him lunging at Sherman. So I've been working on the place thing and just putting some pressure on him to understand when I say heel, that he's got to get to this location. So in your place. I don't know how much of this we did before, but Mack, heel. I know we didn't return to heel like this. Good boy. Heading on the chest and doing that. In your place. All right, and if the video cuts out real quick, it's because it's starting to rain. The tropical storm. I can see it right over there. Mack, heel. So he's got to return. Good. I'm requiring that he sit. Heel. Good. Good boy. I didn't move at all. I made him return to the stationary handler. In your place. Holding it down, letting it up. Good. So I'm going to have him return to the stationary handler. Mack, heel. Comes around. Heel. Good. Right. Good boy. See what happened there? He had the same little head dip thing like Elliot did, where when he had to adjust, he went and dipped around, but he didn't. In your place. So same thing. He's going to return to the stationary handler. And he doesn't like it. He likes going after Sherman. Well, we were just talking about that. I actually trained one a long time ago, Kanga. And the girl still has it. She's got to be pretty old by now, but what a cute dog. The Kanga wouldn't come when it was called. But they're very, very frail dogs. Any kind of bite by a dog this size to a dog like that would be a grievous injury. Mack, heel. So I'm not moving. Good. Wonderful. Heel. Mack, heel. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. I did move this foot a little bit. I kept that foot stationary though. In your place. I'm really going to work on this. And when you guys come, down. You both need to come in turn. If you can both come at the same time, because you've got to get better handling skills. I don't want you guys to feel like that these dogs are taking control of you. Mack, I'm backing up and I'm going to become stationary. Heel. Wonderful. Heel. All right, he saw. Good, good, good. Heel. Wonderful. Wonderful. All right, guys, we're working on it.